Hello everyone, I'm Dana Halawi, Shinkhwa's reporter in Beirut, Lebanon. Lebanon has been suffering from a steep financial crisis, with over 70% of the population plunged into poverty, and people's access to sufficient nutrition impeded. The Lebanese situation deteriorated as food prices surged globally after the pandemic outbreak. Today, the ongoing Ukraine-Russia conflict risks having even worse effects on Lebanon's food security. On the one hand, the international rise in oil prices will lead to an increase in prices of food products. On the other hand, Lebanon imports 85% of its wheat needs from Ukraine and Russia, and at some point will have to face a shortage in this commodity. Lebanon is among the Arab countries that rely hugely on wheat to produce the widely consumed Arab bread. Lebanon is now trying to compensate by securing other sources of wheat, but the country suffers from a serious shortage in foreign currency reserves, which poses a great challenge to its ability to import this commodity in the future. The crisis in Ukraine has not only affected food supply for humans, but also livestock fodder, as Ukraine is a major global supplier of animal feed. Today, livestock farmers in Lebanon are forced to pay double for animal feed, a tight enough squeeze to push many farms out of business. Experts in the country have urged authorities to boost local productive sectors to make up for food shortages, in addition to raising awareness among the Lebanese on the use of healthy substitutes such as potato, corn, beans, and some other grains in the production of bread.